As you can see, our platform makes it easy for developers to distribute their AI model inferences and allows end users to easily buy and use AI services. Thanks for viewing the demo. This project is our effort towards a decentralized AI ecosystem. Our vision is to allow developers to focus on research and innovation, while we take care of distribution and marketing. Building it on top of the Theta Edge Cloud will help attract developers and build a vibrant Theta ecosystem.
What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Passetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update, as well as going on to the news now for Theta Network and seeing here on X. I feel like for the runner-up for Theta Hackathon has some pretty solid potential in terms of for developers as well as users. So going on to X, we're gonna see here. This was posted on September 6th of 2024, introducing the runner-up for the Theta Hackathon of this year. Theta aims a distribution platform for developers and AI apps marketplace, helping bridge the gap between AI models running on Edge Cloud and consumer apps for end users. Learn more in the profile here. We're not going to read the entirety of the article, but I feel like there's going to be some definitions we definitely should know. So starting on with one of them, we're going to see what are WordPress plugins. They are software components that add new features to a WordPress website. They are similar to apps for smartphones, as they can be downloaded and installed to extend the functionality of a site. Going on to another definition I would like to mention is the difference between WordPress plugins and web apps. So seeing here that the plugins are functional while web apps are interactive. Plugins are designed to perform a specific task or set of tasks, while web apps can offer a variety of features. So that is one, and here's customization part. WordPress offers a lot of customization options through its plugins and themes. However, there may be come to a point where WordPress can't handle any more customization. So just a little bit more of a definition for you guys. And two more things I want to mention are what are REST APIs. They are representational state transfer APIs, are a type of REST application programming interface that allows software applications to communicate with each other over the internet or a local network. Inference endpoints are a way to apply new data to machine learning models to generate outputs or predictions. They can also be used to generate outputs for other machine learning tasks such as classification and clustering. So I just feel like these may be helpful for those who are not too tech savvy, because I want to go on to the article itself. Seeing here is just some of the images that were listed for Theta AIM. So here is just like a dashboard in a sense. Another thing I want to show you guys are the purpose for this actual platform. So as you can tell, the runner-up Theta AIM, developed by K Singh, Theta AIM stands for Theta AI Inference Marketplace. It's a distribution platform for developers and AI apps marketplace for the end users, helping bridge the gap between powerful AI models running on Edge Cloud and the end users who want to use the exciting consumer apps these models power. Theta AIM helps developers automatically distribute their AI inferences as web apps, WordPress plugins, Chrome extensions, and REST APIs to end users. Once their AI model inference is ready to be developed on Theta Edge Cloud, they can provide an inference endpoint, and Theta AIM will auto-generate web apps, plugins, and APIs that can interact with the inference endpoint. Under the hood, Theta AIM wrote custom scripts and code generators to automatically build web apps, configure APIs, and plugins. And here's a dashboard for those who are using this type of platform for developers, because you can see the earnings, the amount of plugins, AI inferences, and you can just see an earnings overview here. Here's another image that will be shown later in the video I want to show you guys. It says the image of AI powered by Theta Edge Cloud. So this is just a setting. So this is a plugin. So if you want to see the amount for earnings in a certain year or certain amount of years, you can add this plugin, this AI image or this image, and then you can ask AI about the sales and how much earnings are. And then here is just another one as well. It says Finance GPT powered by Theta Edge Cloud. So it looks like you can have AI models that are available, whichever is available that applies to your business. So going on to the actual video itself, it's a pretty decent video, I would say, very educational, helpful. So definitely put some thoughts and comments down below what you guys think about it.
Hi, welcome to Theta AI Inference Marketplace, or Theta AIM. Our platform helps developers automatically distribute their AI inferences as web apps, plugins, APIs to end users. We're a distribution platform for developers and a marketplace for the end users. So, what problem are we trying to solve? You know, AI model development and training is just one part of the picture, and then distributing your AI model to the end user requires additional efforts like inference deployment, building web apps, custom plugins, APIs, handling payments, infrastructure scaling, and so on. This problem can be further understood by analyzing various stakeholders in the AI and ML industry. Developers should focus on research and innovation, and should not have to worry about how to make their innovation available to end users. Demand for specialized AI is ever growing, and developers should not have to worry about distributing their customized AIs for different needs. End users can have diverse installation needs. For example, they may want to deploy on Theta Edge Cloud, or deploy a binary on their on-premise GPUs. Additionally, they may want to access it as a web app similar to ChatGPT, use it as a WordPress plugin, or interact using APIs. Isn't this an interesting problem, and an essential bottleneck in the AI and ML community? Now, let's understand how we solve this. On our platform, both developers and users can register. After building and training their AI models, developers can provide an inference endpoint on our platform. Using this inference endpoint, our platform can auto-generate web apps, plugins, and APIs. So, all they need is one URL. That's it. Developers have full control over what kind of offerings they want to provide for end users. Under the hood, we've written custom scripts and code generators to automatically build such web apps and plugins. We also take care of payments, infrastructure scaling, etc. Our vision is to enable Theta Edge Cloud developers to offer their solutions with one click. Now, let's see a demo. This is our platform homepage. Now let's first log in as a developer. Let's start by adding a Theta T-Fuel address on payments page. Now let's check our current T-Fuel balance. This is where you start releasing your AI model inference to users. Let's fill in details like name, description, category. Now let's add the Theta Edge Cloud Inference endpoint. This endpoint is always hidden and secure. Now decide if you want to release it as a web app. If yes, choose how much it would cost per call. Choose if you want to release a binary of your AI model. That means, for a one-time payment, can the users deploy the binary on their own cloud? Next, let's choose if you want to build plugins, and if yes, choose which plugins you want to release. And then let's choose if you want to expose your inference as REST APIs, and what would be cost of each call. So, as you can see, you get a simple form to control how you want to distribute your app to end users. Now, let's submit the app. So, your model inference is ready. As you can see, you have released it as a web app, WordPress and Chrome plugins, and REST APIs, as well as allowing binary download. You can edit these at any time, and hence you have full control. Under the hood, we've generated your plugins and deployed your web app, which users can access readily. Let's see a sample web app. So, as you can see, this is a ready-to-use web app, which can help finance teams analyze images. This was auto-generated, and end users didn't have to deal with deployment or setup. Similarly, we can also download plugins as zipped files, which are auto-generated and ready to install into respective platforms. A developer can release any number of AI models, and all they need is an inference endpoint. The rest of everything is taken care of by our platform. Developers can also see analytics, like total plugin installs, usage metrics, earnings, etc. Now, let's try to log in as an end user and try to purchase these. An end user can explore different offerings like web apps, plugins, REST APIs, and binaries available, as per their requirements. User can decide to purchase any app, review their order details, and make the payment using T-Fuel. Let's pay 8 T-Fuel to the seller address using Theta Wallet. Now, let's refresh to see if payment was successful, and if our order was created. Let us proceed to our order details and get access to REST APIs. We can also see our order history and access our services easily. Hence, as you can see, our platform makes it easy for developers to distribute their AI model inferences and allows end users to easily buy and use AI services. Thanks for viewing the demo. This project is our effort towards a decentralized AI ecosystem. Our vision is to allow developers to focus on research and innovation, while we take care of distribution and marketing. Building it on top of the Theta Edge Cloud will help attract developers and build a vibrant Theta ecosystem.
pretty much am pretty on the same page as this. I feel like it's very helpful. It helps developers and then also consumers find the two median and then utilize it. So having this type of marketplace, basically an app store, so that business can use certain models and applications to whatever applies to them. So I feel like it's a nice helpful way for people to connect those two. I also do like that how the setup for payments is so quick and easy. You do have the seller's address, you have yours. Once you make that fulfillment of whatever it costs, it's almost instantaneous. You might have to just refresh the page. Based on this image right there or the video, it was pretty quick, so I'm assuming it's going to be that fast. Fingers crossed that if everything's on the Theta network, it's going to be that quick and seamless. But overall, great type of information and development for those who are participating in the Theta Hackathon, but also this business itself. So it says K-Sing, the one who made this type of platform, so props to them, and really am looking forward to the future of Theta to just implement this and then have more end users use this type of development for AI or any kind of algorithm that applies to them, like I mentioned. But really I'm looking forward to the future of Theta. So if you're trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your T-Field tokens to my Elite Edge node. Either way, help on my channel, help with the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much T-Field passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. Really, I'm looking forward to the next one. But until the next Theta video, until the next Theta update, it is your boy Justin Bassetti. So try to keep up. Hi, deuces.